Welcome back to my channel. I'm Cristina, for those of you that are new, and for those of you who stop by all the time, hello again, and thanks so much for supporting your girl. For the most sincere beauty advice, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. And while you're at it, why don't you ding that bell so that you're notified every time I post a video. So in today's exciting new episode, I'm going to bring you my Allure box. This is last month's box, so November. And you know, as I was going through my goodies, I realized, wow, you know what? I haven't really shown one of these in a really long time. So I'm going to show you because this is one of my subscription boxes that I do absolutely adore. And they've actually started to add some new things to it to make you even, you know, want to subscribe even more. So there's that. I will, of course, list all of the products that I received in this box in the description box below. If there's anything you have a question on, feel free to post it in the comments and I will get back to each and every one of you. And with that, let's begin. So Allure always makes sure that they provide their little pamphlet to let you know what they've included in the box. So I always refer back to this even when I'm just looking at it, you know, on my own, because there are some products in here that I've never heard of before. Some products are just brand spanking new. Nobody's ever heard of them before. And they're really good with kind of giving you a list of, you know, benefits, cons, and descriptions, basically. So in this fabulous box, I'll take all the stuff out here so that I can get to it more easily. So first things first, ready? It's so exciting. These are like little presents that come to your door, like, and you don't know what's in there. So even though you know that you're getting a box, you don't know exactly what's in there unless you peek, and I don't peek because I like the surprise. So, okay, first things first. This is the Dermalect Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. So according to their little pamphlet here, they're actually giving you 1 fluid ounce in here, and according to their little pamphlet, this full-size price would be $42 if you purchased it on dermalect.com. I'll list it below in case you're interested. And it says that it contains salicylic and glycolic acids that help with congestion and promote cell turnover. So that actually sounds really good because the faster you can get your cells to turn over on your face, you get the newer, fresher cells, you look more awake, you look more alive, your skin looks healthy. So that's a good one. I can't wait to try that one. That's gonna be good. So the next one is this Eye Dazzle. Oh, this is pretty. I did remember seeing this. So first off, and excuse the fact that I haven't done my nails, they're kind of crusting off, but look at how beautiful this container is. Look at that. This little, I don't know, something about the merchandising of cosmetics, just something that's really appealing to the eye. I gotta love that. Look at that. So anyway, you can see a little bit of the shade down there, but this is called Eye Dazzle. It's a liquid eyeshadow, la la. And this is what it looks like. I'm actually gonna, oh, that is gorgeous. Wow, would you look at that? Look at that shimmer. Oh my goodness gracious. If that doesn't just scream sexy, I don't know what does. And this particular shade is called Meet Leona. Wow. Okay, so next up we have the Manna Kadar Beauty. And my light won't let you really see. There it is. It's step 3, so clearly I'm missing step 1 and 2, but they sent me step 3. It's called Perfect Lip Bliss Moisturizing Lip Mask. And I'm sorry, but holler that this is right on time because my lips have just been horrible with the dryness and just the cracking every single friggin' year. In the winter, my lips are just blech. So I'm gonna, oh, so there's no real color to it. It looks pink. See, it comes with one of these little doe foot applicators. And it's kind of like toothpaste in there. Looks like, right? So I'm gonna squeeze some of that out. I'm curious. Oh yeah, see? So it's got a thick, it's not as Vaseline-y as I thought it was going to be, but it goes on very, very smooth. Now you can't see this really because I'm putting it on, it's a clear, which is good. But I put it on above the eyeshadow that I did. You can see there with the shine, that's where I applied it. So you're gonna get, it feels really nice too. It has a very silky feeling to it. So that's awesome. That's gonna come right upstairs with me today because Lord knows I need it. So this says it's a moisturizing lip mask. Normally I use lip masks when I go to sleep, but this editor has a really good point. She applied it at nighttime after her regular skincare routine, and she says that she woke up with smoother, more supple lips. During the day, the treatment functioned like a super hydrating gloss, and her lips went from cracked and peeling to plump and cushiony in almost no time at all. So even though it is a mask, like I said, I would normally put it on at night. I might follow her suggestion there and use it during the day as well. So this magic little doe-footed lip mask is $22 full price, and that's if you buy it at mannakadarcosmetics.com, and I'll link that below as well. Let me just grab tissue and take some of this off. Whoa. I went to wipe off the lip mask and the eyeshadow, and it's not, look at, are you seeing what I, are you kidding me right now? No way. Wait. Stop immediately. I did not read budge proof. Okay, this does not say that it is budge proof. That is not, look at that. Look at the shine and shimmer even after me rubbing it with nothing. Something. This thing. This is by Josephine Cosmetics. Josephine Cosmetics. I love surprises. Now this is kind of a smaller, I think this is more sample size. This is 0.67 fluid ounces, and it is the Real Ferment Micro Essence. It's a brightener for softer and deeply hydrated skin. I think the pictures that I'm gonna go ahead and insert here is gonna kind of let you see it a little bit better. But the full size price for this is $38. I'm reading the description here, and it's called Neogen Dermalogy Real Ferment Micro Essence. And the way that this editor says she uses it is she sprinkles it into her hand and she pats it onto her face and then proceeds with the rest of her skincare routine. It's spiked with rice and yeast ferments that improve the skin's microbiome. I gotta believe her. I don't really know. I've never heard of this. I don't try it. I mean, that's the point, right? In getting something this size. And I feel like it retails for $38 on neogenlab.us. But I'm curious. I would like to see how that changes and how it helps my skincare, because she says the essence helps to bind all the layers of hydration together while helping her skin look healthier and more radiant. So if this is going to help my current skincare routine, you know, do better, do more for my skin, then I'm all about it. I'm willing to try that. I mean, it came in my box, why not? Next up is the Perfect Shine Clarifying Scalp Scrub. Now, I actually wrote an article for Latinista magazine on scalp scrub, which I'll link below if you want to kind of read up on it. But I am a fan I have oily skin, obviously on my face, but I also get an oily scalp. So after a few days of, after washing, I have to use dry shampoo after like 2 days actually. The rest of my hair, however, is dry as a bone, but my scalp is oily. So this is, it retails for $16, and it just kind of, if you use a scrub for your face, then you know how that kind of sloughs off the dead skin cells, leaving kind of like a blank canvas for you to begin with your moisturizers and your serums and all that kind of stuff, but it helps to really get out the dirt and buildup. So the same kind of thing goes for something that you use on your scalp. It's going to do the same thing. Again, retails for $16 at Ulta.com. And this is a pretty decent size, and it's 1 fluid ounce. And since you don't really need all that much, I would think it would last for a few different shampoos. Next up, we've got the Acure Ultra Hydrating 12-Hour Facial Moisturizer. So this is a face moisturizer, and I'm really digging, again, the packaging, or what it is with the packaging with me, but I like that you can kind of squeeze it out, because if you have like, I don't know, like a bottle of something, and you kind of have to like tap it on your hand to get all the rest of the product out. This, you're gonna squeeze it out like a toothpaste tube. I like that. Toothpaste tube design works for me. So this is a super sample size, because I'm looking at the picture of the actual size, and they look like toothpaste tubes, you see. So they're bigger, but they're $18.99 at Acure.com. And this editor says that it isn't heavy or thick. It has more of a whipped texture, and she didn't need to reapply during the day. It lasts 12 hours. And she said without making acne worse. So it sounds like it's for sensitive skin. It is 100% vegan and 0% pretentious. I like that, that's funny. Paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil free, petroleum free, formaldehyde free, cruelty free. Good Lord. Sounds like good stuff, right? Free of everything. Next up, we have the Last Choice Sheet Mask. And this sheet mask retails for $5 for one at whenbeautyus.com. This one is made from coconuts, and it's soaked in a hydrating serum. So sheet masks are my jam, so I could use that at any given point in time, because the good thing about that is you don't have to actually sit still. Like if you put cucumbers on your eyes, you just have to kind of sit there so they don't fall off. This you can put on and you just keep on going about your day. And I'm all about going about my day. So last but certainly not least, we have Instant Bright Eye Mask. And according to this pamphlet, if I could find the eye mask, here it is. So it is Skinmedica Instant Bright Eye Mask. It retails for $48 for 6 sets of 2 patches. So you get a lot of patches for that price, which is actually very, very good. This will just give you 1 set for you to try. And it says that they're formulated with glycerin to hydrate and antioxidant golden root extract. What? It's an eye mask, and I'm a freak about eye creams and eye masks, so I'll be using that too. And mess around, and I'll put this on first and follow up with this. Dab a little of that. Hello, and top it off with that. This seems like a nighttime routine just for me. So there you have it. That's what I got in my Allure box. If you are interested in getting one of your own, I will put a link in the description box below that you can just kind of click on it and subscribe and see what you think. You can try it out. It might make for a really good Christmas gift for somebody, just kind of showing up magically at their door. You imagine getting Christmas presents every month for a full year? Hi. Thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure on your way to watch one of my other videos that you do subscribe and you do ding the bell, and I will see you next week. Take it easy.